Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Bludit CMS on CentOS 7. Bludit is a free, open source and simple web application with which you can create your website or blog within few minutes. Since the Bludit application has files in JSON format for storing the content, there is not any necessary to install or configure a database. So basic requirements before starting your installation is to have Apache web server and PHP. The version of PHP should be 7. Now switch to your terminal and first download the latest stable version of your Bludit CMS using wget command. Once you have downloaded it, extract it. Now you'll be able to see your Bludit directory. Now move this directory towards your Apache document root and switch to your Apache document root location. You'll be able to see your Bludit CMS directory. Now provide appropriate owner permission and file execution permission. Now configure your virtual host for your Bludit CMS. And enter your configuration inside this. After providing with your configuration, save the changes and restart your Apache service. Now switch to your web browser and enter your machine's IP address or your fully qualified domain name followed by your CMS directory. This will prompt you to your installer setup. Now choose your default language and click next. Create your admin credentials here. By default, the admin username is admin and create your own password. And admin email address. And now click install. And this is your first post in your website. This is how it will prompt to. If you want to log in inside your admin area with your admin credentials, you can click here. If you want to follow your Bludit CMS on the social sites, you can click this. And chat with the developers, you can click this. And visit their forum support and read further documentation about it, you can very well click the following links. Now log in with your admin credentials. You will be logged inside your dashboard. This comprises of the overall view. You can also create your new post, your page, and also add a number of users. We have logged in as admin user, and these comprises of the tabs present inside your website. The settings for your website. You can go and edit your change. You can go and edit the changes as per your wish. And thus we have seen how to install Bludit CMS on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.